In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Chrysler Voyager key fob. This is the key fob for the newer Voyagers. It's been used since 2020 up to present day, and it takes just one CR2032 battery. You can change the battery yourself at home. It's really easy. You don't need to pay someone to do it. Just follow along with this video. If you need to get one of these batteries, I've put a link down in the description to pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. First step is to push down this button to remove this key. It can be a little bit tricky, but just push that down, and now we can set this to the side. You can see where the key just came from. Oh, we're going to take a flathead screwdriver. Right next to the keyhole, there are these two areas here and here. You can go in with your tool into either of those, hold the device securely, and just twist. Lift it up and it will snap, but that's supposed to happen. You can see now we've made a little opening on both sides. I'm going to insert my tool on one side and turn again until it pops. Go to the other side in the other opening and do the same. And now we can remove it with our fingers. Here we need to insert something into that hole. You can see there's a small arrow there. And then there's this little hole. I'm going to be using a precision screwdriver to get in there. You could also use a toothpick or something, just anything that will fit in there as long as it's not going to damage your device or your battery. If you want to get something like this, these are just a couple of bucks on Amazon. They're really handy around the house. So I'll put a link in the description if you want to pick those up with your battery. But basically anything to come in here, you just want to push down and kind of rock up, and it will come flying out at you. I'll show you that again. Just go into that area, follow the arrow, go right in there, and it'll pop out like that. Here's our CR2032. Make sure the positive side with this battery information goes face up, and just slide it into the housing, click it into place. And that's pretty much it. We're just going to click the back on and pop our key back in the device, and we're finished. If this video helped you out, feel free to give us a like or leave a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries of any of your key fobs from any maker model, check out the rest of the videos on this YouTube channel or visit us at fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.